Sarah loved sunny days. She loved picking flowers, chasing butterfly and running in the garden. But today it rained. Dark cloud filled the sky. Raindrops tapped gently on the window. Sarah sat quietly. Her face was sad. I hate rain, she whispered. Her little brother Zed was building a block. He looked up and said, "Want to play with me?" "No," Sarah snapped. "I don't feel like playing." Zad's smile faded. He slowly picked up all his block and went to another room. Sarah felt something in her chest. I wasn't anger, I was something else. She closed her eyes. She took a deep breath. She remembered what Grandma once said. Feeling are like the rain. Let them come, let them go. Sarah whispered, "I think I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed." She got up and walked to the Zed room. "Can I build with you now?" Zed smiled. "Yes, I saved the red blocks for you." They sat and built the tallest tower ever. The rain still fell out, but inside Sarah felt sunny again. Moral of the story: it's okay to feel sad or upset. But when we talk about our feelings and say sorry, heart feels light again. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.